How to sign in Konami ID. So if you want to sign in to Konami, then first of all open up a browser and then search for Konami sign in, and after searching you can go for Konami ID login, and then to log into your account you need to enter your email address on the first blank, and after entering your email address you have to enter your password, and after entering your password you have to check all of these characters. So you have to click on this box, you have to click on the similar character which you can see here. But if you forgot your password or if you forgot your ID, then you can simply click on forgot your password or forgot your Konami ID, and then you can reset or recover it. But if you don't have an account, then you can go for generate Konami ID and then you can register. So if you want to log in, then simply enter your information and then you can simply click on login, and after clicking on login you will be logged into your Konami account. So that's it, that's how you log in, or that's how you sign into your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.